Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 different ways that you can do a slip knot. A slip knot is an absolute basic for knitting and crocheting, and everybody does it slightly different. So here are 3 different ways to get you started. So the first technique that I'm going to show you is actually the technique that I use. You want to take your tail end of yarn and wrap it around your finger away from you, creating a knot. You want to pinch the tail end with your finger and thumb, and then bring the working end of yarn back around your finger and pinch again. You're then going to take the back loop and bring it over the front loop, and there you have your slip knot. All that you need to do now is insert your hook and pull on the working end of yarn to tighten your knot. If you want to loosen it again, you can pull on the tail end. The second technique is again to take your tail end and make a loop like so. You want to pinch with your finger and thumb, take your crochet hook and insert from the front around to the back, creating a cross. Pinch that with your finger and thumb and go ahead and hold your yarn how you would normally. Swap fingers so you're pinching with your finger and thumb on this hand, your working hand, and then yarn over and pull through, and then there you have your slip knot. And then your final technique to make a slip knot is to lay your yarn down. Here is your working end. You're then going to make a loop, making sure that this tail end is nice and long. You're going to bring that end back through and then through this loop. You're going to pull nice and tight, and there you have your slip knot. You can go ahead and insert your crochet hook and then pull on your slip knot. So there we have 3 techniques for a slip knot. I hope that you find one of them helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time.